What's going on, folks? Thanks for tuning in to Lines 302 Fishing. Sitting here waiting for my daughter to finish stock practice, so I figure it's a good time to knock out an intro video. The video I got for you today was taken after my last drill weekend, Sunday night. I didn't have much light left, had about 45 minutes maybe, and figured I'd cast around a little bit. Had my ultralight rig with me, and what was working was Bobby Garland pink and green curly tail minnow. I don't know what it was, but that's what they wanted that night. I had a couple minnows with me also that I had from like 2 days prior fishing. There wasn't much life left in them, and I couldn't entice a bite with them. But like I said, whatever it was, that little pink and green curly tail action, it turned them on. So check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Got him. Ooh, here we go. Crappie, baby. Boom. GoPro highlight. No skunk. Oh, pink and green curly tail. Be nice if it was a school of them. Oh! Missed him. Missed him. But there's something out there. Oh, nope. Oh, here we go. Ooh, here we go, baby. That's nice. Nice. Go on the ultralight. GoPro highlight. Boom. I love it. I love it. Throw this minnow back out here. Curious. This is where I'm throwing, but come on. Ah, you dumbass. Can I save it? Can I save it? Can I save it? Didn't see the minnow, but Horrible cast. Oh, still got a lively one. Come here. These minnows are actually 2 days old. Shocked they're still alive. Let's go back out here. Oh my. What was that? What was that? Ooh, here we go. And another. So pink and green is doing it. GoPro highlight. Pink and green is getting it done. What you think would hit the minnow? Minnow's not that lively though. They are on this last leg. Oh, ooh, what we got here? Let's go. Let's go. This one got a little more weight to it. I want to break this 4-pound line. Here we go, GoPro highlight. Nice. This pink and green is killing them. I'm gonna pull this minnow out the way. So much fun on this ultralight. I wonder if I don't have them down far enough or too far. Damn it, did it again. That's right, I'm gonna get this out the way anyway. Let me get another one on this pink and green. Since it's what's working right now. Missed him. Missed him. Story back. Hit. Got him. No, he got off. What the hell? Let's go right back. Go right back. Here we go. Nice crappie. Nice crappie. GoPro highlight. Nice. Ooh. That snag on something. Damn it. Yeah, that was a snag. Alright, since I broke off, I tied on a beetle, spin and threw that around for a little bit. I was losing light pretty fast, so I only had about maybe 10 minutes. No luck on the beetle spin, and as they say, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. So I went back to the Bobby Garland pink and green curly tail. Oh. Nope. Grass. This is a different jig head. Come on, one more to close the night out. It's supposed to be close to 80 degrees tomorrow, but raining. Come on, give me one more. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. That's nice, baby. Nice. There we go. Oh, how much can you see? GoPro highlight. You can't really see it. So, take a pic with my phone.